Hi guys, today's topic is chemical properties of carbon compounds. Here, most of the fuels which is based upon the either carbon or its compounds. Most of the fuels is formed either carbon or its compounds. Okay, and here we are going to see one process, combustion. What is mean by combustion? Means carbon, we are taking here carbon, all its allotropic forms we are taking here, and we are burning that carbon with oxygen, okay. What we will get means, after burning this carbon with oxygen, carbon here we are taking all its allotropic forms, okay. Carbon dioxide is formed and it releases high amount of heat and light. Okay. When carbon is burning with oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed and also it releases heat and light. So that let me see some examples of forming carbon dioxide. Some simple examples such as oxidation reaction. We are taking carbon plus heating this carbon with oxygen. Carbon dioxide is formed plus heat, high amount of heat and light is released. Okay. And second example, CH4 I am taking. What is CH4? Methane here I am taking. This methane is burning with oxygen. What will form? As usual, carbon dioxide plus H2O, water plus heat and light is released. Here check whether everything is completed. 2 oxygen, here 3, but here only 2 oxygen. Check here water molecule, hydrogen is 2 present but here 4, so we have to equate this hydrogen, so I am writing here 2, so 4 hydrogen, here also 4 hydrogen. Now it is completed. 2 oxygen 4, but here only 2, so if I write here 2 means 2 to 4, so it is completed. Okay. Third one, CH, 3 CH2 OH, ethanol I am taking, plus oxygen. As usual, what will form means CO2, carbon dioxide plus water plus heat plus light. I didn't complete the reaction here. I am just saying what are all the things formed when carbon in all its allotropes, when it is burning, carbon is burning with oxygen. What will happen means carbon dioxide, H2O, heat and light will be formed. I am just saying that. Process. In this burning process, a flame will outcome. Definitely a flame will outcome. It may be sometimes clear, it may be sometimes yellow color. Sometimes if you notice this gas stove means the flame will be blue color. Okay, the flame will be vary, and also sometimes it will give some deposit also. For example, here you just imagine here I am heating the carbon with oxygen, and some of the flame will outcome, and I am just keeping one metal plate here above the flame. I am just placing the metal plate above the flame. After few minutes I am just seeing a sooty deposit which is present on the surface of the metal plate. A sooty deposit which is present on the surface of the metal plate. Why this is happening means there is an incomplete combustion. The combustion process we saw before, no? Incomplete combustion of saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means what? Single bond will present. Unsaturated means it maybe contains a double bond or triple bond. Saturated hydrocarbon. Okay. Incomplete combustion of saturated hydrocarbon giving this sooty deposit, which means a black color deposit will be formed on this metal plate. Okay. And this is the reason. If you see the gas stove flame, if you see means it is in blue color. The flame is in blue color. Why means it has some inlets for air. Which is so sufficiently oxygen rich mixture is burnt. So sufficiently oxygen Rich mixture is burnt here. Rich mixture is burnt here. So it will give a clear blue flame. Okay. And also I said no, the sooty deposit which is present on the metal plate. You just observe the bottoms of the cooking vessels. When you are heating, when you are burning the anything you are cooking, look at the bottom of the cooking vessel. It is getting black color deposit. It is blackened. It means the air holes are blocked and fuel is getting waste, which means air holes which is present in the bottom of the cooking vessel is was blacked and the fuel is getting wasted. Air holes are blocked here. So only a black color deposit is present on the bottom of the cooking vessel. Here see, why do substances burn with or without flame? And some substance, not all the substance, some will give flame and some will not give flame. And this flame is in various colors. Sometimes the flame is clear red color, sometimes it will be yellow. For example, in gas stove it is in blue color. Okay. Let me check coal or charcoal flame. Coal or charcoal flame. This flame is in which color? It is clear red color. It will give clear red color, and also it gives high amount of, it releases high amount of heat and flame. Okay, and the flame color is red color. When the flame will produced, when the flame will produced, when it will be produced means when gaseous substances burn. When it will burn, at that time it will produce the flame. Okay. And the color of the flame depends on the which element is present in the compound. For example, any compound we are taking and we are burning means which type of substances, which type of element is present in this compound. It depends on that character of the element. Okay. And here we see the formation of coal. How this coal will form means coal is the remains of trees, firms, plants which lived million years ago. These were crushed into earth. Perhaps by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. A coal is the remains of trees, firms, plants that lived millions years ago, and these were crushed into earth, perhaps by earthquakes or volcanic eruption. It is pressed down by layers of earth and rock. It was pressed down by layers of earth and rock. Slowly, then finally it decayed into, here they are pressed as layers on the surface of the earth and rock, then it is slowly decayed into coal, and this is the formation of coal.